Ashley, thank you for talking to us today. What does Solvency II require of insurers and their fund managers?
Well, Solvency II is an insurance piece of regulation, so there's significant demands on insurers to calculate capital, run their risk management processes and report to the regulators. But the impact of Solvency II is actually having a significant effect on asset managers is an indirect basis. On the structure of the asset managers' relationships with the insurers is they're the originators of the portfolio data that needs to power some of the calculations and processes within the insurers. So even though Solvency II is an insurance regulation, there is a significant indirect pressure onto the asset managers.
How are both insurers and managers proposing to meet that requirement at present?
The insurers are beginning to ask their asset managers for data, which is a great step. Many are quite advanced in their thinking, some are less advanced in their thinking, so there's going to be some time pressure coming onto those insurers. And the impact onto the asset managers is that they now have to think of a way and find a consistent, operationally efficient way of communicating all of this proprietary, sensitive data to the insurers. And this is, I would say, the biggest challenge from a regulatory standpoint asset managers have faced in many, many years.
What happens if present measures do not work?
Interesting question. I don't think anybody really knows from a regulatory standpoint and any penalties that will happen around that. Certainly from an immediate impact on the insurers, there are capital penalties for not being able to understand the inherent risk within a portfolio and the look through to the underlying instruments in those portfolios. So there's an immediate capital penalty hit, but whether the TEEP has regulations and how the regulators apply any penalties, that hasn't yet been made clear.
How does your service help?
Well, we sit in the space between asset managers and their institutional investors. So for Solvency II, that's insurers. For other regulations, there'll be different investor types. And we capture and protect the investment strategy and the proprietary data of the asset managers, and we package this all up into a single delivery to the insurers. So it's a hugely standardized, hugely operationally efficient delivery mechanism for the insurers, and it's a protection of the investment strategy and IP for the asset managers. So we provide an environment that is safe for the asset manager to contribute their proprietary data into, to prevent this becoming market data and reaching the public domain. So we're a data utility, a fund data utility, inhabiting that space between asset managers and insurers, and providing just a very, very linear process between the two to aid the communication.
Ashley, thank you very much.
Thanks for speaking.